let's start with the basics. Yeah, because I had a lot of questions and I didn't have anyone to guide me, right? And since you guys have this platform to help you, I'm going to make sure that you get the most out of this. Okay. So let's jump right into it. Okay. First, let's talk about the types of research. Okay. So there are basically 4 types of research. Okay. 1 second. Yeah, 4 types of research. Okay, there's basic medical research, which does not concern us in MBBS, right? This is basically cellular and microbiology, those cancer markers you study about, right? All of that stuff. Then there is preclinical research that comes under microbiology or pathology, right? And there is clinical research, which most of us will be interested